this video I'm going to show you how to add admin on Facebook page. Please like and share this video. Now without wasting time, let's dive into the video. Now click on Professional Dashboard tab at the top. Click on Profile Recommendation. Go down to More About Your Page section and click on Manage Admins. On People with Facebook Access, click on Add New. Now click on Next button. Enter the name or email of your new admin. Now click on Give Access button. Enter your profile account password to complete new setup. Invitation sent. Now notify your new admin to accept your admin invitation offer to become your Facebook page administrator. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you for watching.